Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Do you want to run a YouTube channel without spending hours on every video? Here's how to use Claude AI for full YouTube automation. Claude AI can handle ideas, scripts, titles, and even content repurposing. So let's break down the full workflow. First of all, you can start with ideas. Such as you can type in the prompt, give me 20 YouTube ideas about any sort of title that you want and keep them viral and high CTRs. So Claude will give you various ideas that you can choose from. So pick topics that are simple and high demand. Now turn ideas into scripts. So you can type in the prompt, write a 3-minute YouTube script with hook, intro, 3 points, and outro, followed by the title of the video that you want. So Claude will generate a complete script ready for voiceover, and then you're going to use the script with AI voice tools like 11 Labs, Play HT, or record your own voice. You can also ask Claude to suggest B-roll, transitions, and visuals for the script, then edit using CapCut, Canva, or Premiere Pro. You can even use Claude again and type in the prompt, give me 5 viral YouTube titles and thumbnail text, let's say. It will give you numerous ideas, and then you can create thumbnails in Canva using those ideas. You can turn one video into multiple pieces, such as ask convert this into YouTube Shorts, make Instagram caption. So this helps you grow faster. And that's how you automate YouTube using Claude AI. It handles the heavy work. You focus on consistency and uploading. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out. And I'll see you next time.